Alright guys, for the next couple days you're not learning anything new. We're just going to keep practicing dividing when there's a decimal in the divisor or in the divisor and the dividend. What you should remember from yesterday is that we're always trying to make a whole number amount of groups, so if there's a decimal in the divisor, we have to move it to the end. 3 examples, then you're going to practice. Nothing changes about the way we set it up. The first number goes inside the division house, the second one goes outside. This says 2.5. I need to turn it into a whole number, so I'm going to scoop the decimal once to the end. However many times I scoop outside, I have to scoop that many inside. Scoop your decimal once right and drop it off. Now that I've moved my decimal, I need to rewrite it so that my division problem reads 197.5 divided by 25. My divisor is a whole number, so now I can divide as usual. If you're not comfortable counting by 25s, then make sure you list out your multiples so you don't have to stop midway through. I'm going to do that right now so that we don't have to stop at all. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200. That should be enough. Let's go ahead and do this. 25 doesn't go into 1, put up a 0 as a placeholder. 25 doesn't go into 19, put up a 0 as a placeholder. I can count by 25 to get close to 197, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, because 25 times 7 is 175. See, aren't you glad I listed my multiples? 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. Can 25 go into 22? No. So I need to bring down the next number from my dividend, but before I can do that, I have to bring my decimal straight up. And the 5 can come down. 25 goes into 225. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, because 25 times 9 is 225. I have 0 in the problem. I have no numbers left in my dividend without a number up above in the quotient, so I can move on to the next one. Alright, right away I know this problem is going to be annoying because I can see that my dividend has 5 numbers and my divisor is a decimal. It's not hard, it's just annoying. Let's set it up. I can't start dividing right away because my divisor's a decimal. I need to scoop my decimal to get to the end of this number so that I have a whole number of groups. Scoop 1, 2 times, and then however many times I scoop outside, I have to scoop inside. Grab the decimal, 1, 2, and make sure you drop it off so you don't get confused. Let's rewrite it. Should look like 196.46 divided by 38. I cannot count by 38s at all, so I have to list my multiples. 38 times 1 is 38. I don't know what 38 times 2 is, so I need to do that over here. 76. Sorry, this is so annoying. Not hard, just annoying. Okay. Alright, I'm a math teacher and that took me that long, so if you're not doing this, I'm not really sure what you're doing. Let's get started. 38 into 1, no. 38 into 19, no. But thank goodness I listed all those multiples, because now I know that I can count by 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to get close to 196, and I'm left with 6. I have a decimal, so before I can move over in my dividend, I need to bring it up, and I can bring the 4 down. 38 doesn't go into 64 perfectly. I can only count by 38 one time. Oh, 266. I have to keep going. Here we go. And I think one more. All right. I can count by 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times and get perfectly to 266 because 38 times 7 is 266. I've got a 0 here. Every number in my dividend has a placeholder above it in the quotient. I'm done. That took a while, so that's only 2 examples today, but now I want you to practice on your own.